Here we are in beautiful Mykonos, Greece. Come join us as we take you to the best gay beach on the island, Elia. What a morning view for our arrival in Mykonos. Another 30 minutes or so until we get to head down to the tenders to tender over to the port on our trip to Elia Beach today. It is the best gay beach. It's been 20 years since I've been there, but it was absolutely stunning back then. So we have loungers and umbrellas set up and drink and snack. So we're excited for our day, our beach day here in Mykonos. With COVID restrictions, we had to do a celebrity excursion. So this was we were very fortunate and very happy that they had a gay beach option available to us today. Here we are at Elia Beach in Mykonos. One of the really nice things about Elia Beach are these loungers. Absolutely stunning. There are drink menus and even call buttons for you to order a beverage or food. There's also showers right up here. And there's obviously a taverna as well here for you to sit at. If you want to come sit and eat before heading down to the beach. Again, here we are at Elia Beach in Mykonos. We are headed to the right now from the main taverna on the beach to the gay area. You can obviously tell that it's coming up as we have our beautiful rainbow flag. Andy is modeling our new matching bathing suits that we got for this trip. Vague, vague. So cute. Last time I was here 20 years ago, I think I had to take a bus to a little boat that went around like 3 different coves to Paradise, Super Paradise, and then finally here to Elia. Just from the taverna, if you're looking at the water to the right, over the rocks, you will find the gay nude section, which obviously we can't film, but we're just showing you how to get there and where it is. Pro tip, definitely bring shoes. We made it without shoes, but it would have been a lot more comfortable with them. This is really spectacular. We really enjoyed it. Just went for a skinny dip to cool off, and now we're gonna head back and have our lunch and a beer.
Thanks for joining us in Mykonos. Follow us on social media, and we hope you join us next time.